On August 9, a deeply disturbing event shook Kolkata, West Bengal, where a trainee doctor was found in a seminar hall at RG Gar Medical Hospital, and it's suspected that she was the victim of a brutal rape and murder. And the severity of this crime has deeply affected the entire nation and leaving many people at a loss of word to describe its brutality. So, let's dive into the recent development and what they mean for the ongoing investigation. In the latest update, following Sanjay Roy's arrest, Dr. Sandeep Ghosh detention in the second major development in the RG Kar Medical College and Hospital scandal. And this arrest occurred 24 days after the initial report of financial misconduct. The investigation is ongoing as authorities work to reveal the full scope of the alleged wrongdoing. And Sandeep Ghosh, the former principal of RG Kar Medical College and Hospital in Kolkata, has just been arrested by the CBI. And this arrest is a part of a larger investigation into a serious claims of a corruption and malpractice at the hospital. And just hour after Sandeep Ghosh was arrested, the CBI official also detained his security guard and two vendors who used to supply materials to the hospital. And this happened after the body of a female medic who was raped and murdered was found at the hospital on August 9. Now, let's discuss of the other important people who have been detained in this case. Well, Sandeep Ghosh is not only alone in the case. CBI has also detained three other individuals in connection with this case, which Sandeep Ghosh's security guard Afsar Ali Khan and two vendors from the hospital who is Biplav Singha and Simon Hazra. According to Hindustan Times, on August 23, the Calcutta High Court decided to move the investigation into the hospital's financial irregularities from a state-run team to the CBI. And meanwhile, the court's decision followed a petition by Dr. Ali, the former deputy superintendent of the hospital. He asked for the Enforcement Directorate to investigation the alleged financial misconduct at the hospital and during Sandeep Ghosh's time as principal, where Sandeep Ghosh was questioned for 15th time at the CBI Salt Lake official about the alleged rape and a murder of a 31-year-old trainee doctor at RG Kar on August 9. And after the questioning, he was taken to the CBI's Nizam Place office in Kolkata, where he was officially recorded as arrested by the Anti-Corruption Unit. And this is the second arrest related to the serious RG Kar case, which happened 24 days after the crime. And previously, Sanjay Roy, a Kolkata police civic volunteer, was arrested by the local police and then handed over to the central agency. And this arrest was also connection to the alleged rape and a murder of the medic. Well, the CBI action shows a strong effort to tackle corruption in the healthcare. They want to make sure that public resources are used properly and effectively in the hospital. And always remember, rape culture is not just a headline. It's the everyday behaviors and attitudes we often overlook. We'll keep you updated as more details emerge about this case. Till then, keep watching India.com.